Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a new immobilizer system that neutralizes the vehicle and doesn't allow you to start the car even if you have the original key, unless you have the fob or the app on your phone, or if you know a certain code that we have done in the vehicle that allow you to start the car. Basically that will prevent the case of somebody stealing the keys from you and trying to drive away if they don't have the correct code or the fob. So now we're going to give the fob to our technician. We're going to ask him to walk away from the vehicle. Basically imitating a situation that you somewhere, somebody stole your keys but they don't know that you have that extra fob. So even if they have the key, they will press unlock, enter the vehicle, try to start the car, press the brake, try to start the car, and the vehicle won't crank. Again, press the brake, try to start the car, and the vehicle won't crank. So now we're going to enter a specific code that we did for this customer, and now we can start the vehicle. Every customer can set up a different code for himself, so it's all up to the customer. The immobilizer system is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.